Here's Rosie Day in the gate. And they're off. Soxy's Gold Tour was quick off the line for Cisco Torres. A sharp start for Soxy's Gold Tour. Surefire Tempest showing speed. My Mildred is right there with a blue cap on the outside. Casual Gray fourth. Phoning in is fifth. Zia Lunar a wide sixth. Go Sassy is seventh. No, You Can't Do It Like Me is eighth. Chloe's Hero in ninth. On the outside, Rosie Day is 10th. Then Wanderer in 11th, and Lizwaki's Prospect last of a dozen after a couple of furlongs. Soxy's Gold Tour just in front of Surefire Tempest as they round the far turn. My Mildred is only a length off the top, coming toward the quarter pole. Casual Gray. Zia Lunar commencing a bit outside of Fillies as they turn for home. Phone It In is next. Top of the stretch, Soxy's Gold Tour just in front. Now in the final furlong and a half. Surefire Tempest put to pressure. My Mildred Blue Blinker. Zia Lunar is charging. Phone It In is spying a gap on the outside. Gaining ground is that newcomer for Jose Riquelme. Here's Rosie Day. Rosie Day strikes the front from Zia Lunar. It's Rosie Day. Rosie Day on Valentine's Day pulls away from Zia Lunar. A multi-horse photo for third. My Mildred. Phone It In. Surefire Tempest. Casual Gray. Chloe's Hero and Soxy's Gold Tour.